Hi, I'm Dustin Nash with Acme Brick Company, and today I'd like to talk about TruCedar. At Acme Brick, we are proud to be representing a material that is manufactured in the United States from 100% domestically sourced steel. At Acme Brick Company, we stock 3 profiles in 3 different colors, and the typical lead time from TruCedar is about 2 weeks. So from order inception to getting it on your job site, it's approximately 2 weeks. At your local Acme Brick office, we stock samples and brochures for each one of these products and each type of the profiles, and we also provide takeoffs.
Hi, I'm Alex with Quality Edge. Today I'd like to take some time to review our TruCedar steel siding line. TruCedar is a 27 gauge embossed textured steel siding. There are 6 profiles within our TruCedar line. First, starting with our double 4, our single 6, which is featured here, our single 6 Dutch lap, our single 8, our 6 and 10-inch board and batten. Within TruCedar, we have 7 wood grain colors and 17 solid colors. TruCedar includes a lifetime warranty for residential projects. That warranty is transferable to the second owner for 50 years. TruCedar also includes a 50-year warranty for commercial applications. Within TruCedar, we also include a Class A fire rating and a Class 3 impact rating.
Hello, Monty Brzezinski here with Quality Edge and TruCedar cladding system. I'm here to show you some tips and tricks of how the install goes with our components in the panel for you. But there's 2 key factors that I tell every contractor that calls me or I go out to their job site. First of all, the product needs to be cut right, the panel itself. The accessories will be a snip, but when you go to cut the siding, you will use a ferrous metal blade designed to cut a steel panel. We don't like grinders at all, and that could null and void the warranty. The next thing after this ferrous blade, we want to make sure that you're using the proper fasteners. And you can use a non-corrosive screw or a metal galvanized roofing nail from that standpoint. You will fasten it in the center of the nail slot to make sure this panel can expand and contract back. So first of all, like any other job that you have to go to, you have to have a starter. Your starter will look like this, and your panel will actually go up and lock itself in. Then you go ahead and fasten the top. Usually every fastener is nailed 8 to 12 inches. You put the nail in the middle of the slot, and as long as this screw with the shank can slide back and forth, we need the expansion contraction. Or you can use the common roofing nail and do the same thing from that side using a hammer. So after you put your starter strip on, you want to look and address your corner posts. Right now we're going to look at the outside corner post. We have 2 options for you. One for the horizontal, which will be our 1-piece pocket, 3/4 inch depth. And then all of a sudden, if you do go to our vertical panel, we have a 2-piece corner that includes a base that you'll have to put, and then you will put your according color to your siding cap piece on that matches your siding. After the outside corner, now we have to address the inside corner. And what we're going to do there is use a double J application. And I always think about a joke that I tell my grandkids. What one wall say to the other wall? I'll meet you in the corner. So let's turn around here. We got a J channel up, it's sided all the way up, and then you're gonna take the next J channel, put a little caulk behind there, and go ahead and butt that J channel to it. Easiest application for your inside corners. In a lot of cases when you're doing your siding job with TruCedar 6-inch, you're going to have to put 2 panels together. We overlap that, and your overlap will be a 1-inch overlap. As you continue installing the panel up the wall, you will have openings and doors. What there we suggest is to use our receiver channel, which we call J channel from that standpoint. You will go around the opening as it comes around the opening to make sure that you have tabs to make sure water management works its way out through the panel. As you continue up the wall, you're going to come up to the eave. There's a couple ways to do it in combination. You can go ahead and use the J channel that we talked about, but the function you need is this undersill. The undersill is a piece that's going to hold the top piece in, and it's right here as we shown as this panel. Part of the reason you need undersill, you're going to go ahead and cut this nail ham off, so now you need to be able to hold that panel tight. All right, now we're on to our vertical application and our 10-inch board and batten panel. There is a couple of unique things that are different to this, like the starter strip that we like. This is our batten starter. You go ahead and the panel will sit on top of it. These panels are 10 foot long, so in addition we give you a Z flashing so you can start with another panel above that, and that's how that system goes together for you. I would like to show you another product that we offer, and it's our soffit panel, and we're going to highlight our TruVent hitting concealed ventilation product. One of the unique things about this product is the ventilation is hidden in the stabilizer bars, and the ventilation is in there, so it's not seen from that standpoint. It's a fairly easy system that you can put together. These sheets come 12 foot long. You will rip them the length of your soffit, which is usually about 2 foot. You'll use a receiver channel that will go up on the wall that butts up high, as you can see up here. Then the panels get locked in, and you will go ahead and cover the exterior fascia with the fascia piece. One other product that we offer you is our porch ceiling. As you can see, it goes under a porch or a gazebo. And as you flip it around to you, you can see the double 5 look with the V groove. The key thing about this, it's maintenance free for that homeowner. And it's very similar to our other soffit where you have a receiver J channel and it goes all around your perimeter and you lock these panels in. And keep in mind, our both options of the porch ceiling and the TruVent, they are made of aluminum, so they're lightweight and durable finish to last a lifetime. Thanks for watching today. I'm Monty with Quality Edge. You can get further information on our website, www.qualityedge.com, for any more additional information, or feel free to reach out to me.